Hey guys, Clayton Clemens here with the Agent Resources team at Senior Marketing Specialist. I'm here to talk to you about one of my personal favorite products and SMS's favorite product, which is cancer insurance. It's a huge need out for all the clients. I'm sure you've heard me talk about this a lot before, but it's a way to protect the clients in one of the most financially devastating times of their life and emotionally devastating. So we always want to talk to our agents about offering that product up. But one of the major pushbacks we get is, how do I offer this product without scaring my client into it? Because we all know we don't want to sell based off fear tactics, but it's a scary topic. So we got to dive into how you present this information in a way that the client's going to feel the need for it, but not scare them. It's scary information, but let's just talk through it. The most important thing with cancer insurance is just focus on the facts. Focus on the statistics that are already out there because they're going to do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. With 1 in 3 people in their lifetime getting a cancer diagnosis, that's scary enough. I know a lot of us would take a gamble if we said, hey, you'll get this lump sum payout and a 1 in 3 chance. Do you want to try that? You'd say, yeah, okay, sure. And then you attach all the other things that go along with it, like you got a cancer diagnosis. Now you're going to have to pay for a lot of different medical bills. There's going to be a lot of out-of-pocket costs. So you can kind of talk through the starting statistic, which is that big scary number, 1 in 3, and then trickle down through how it'd work with their insurance, what they're going to end up paying, and what potential out-of-pocket costs that they might be associated with that diagnosis. Because a lot of times that's just not going to be something that somebody's thinking about. So you're not scaring them, telling them, hey, you're going to have a $40,000 bill, go, go, go. It's more so saying, hey, we need to come up with a plan in case you were diagnosed with this. This is how your insurance would cover it. Here's what's going to be remaining. And here's a product that could help fill that coverage. So like any other ancillary product, fact finding is going to be a huge part of this process. If you have some type of client intake form or fact finder that you're personally using already to learn a little bit more about their family medical history or the client's medical history, that's going to be a really important part of this process. And SMS actually has a new version of our fact finder. You're definitely going to want to check that out because it's going to help bring up these kind of questions for you, not only for cancer insurance, but a lot of other ones as well. So when you're going through, you'll ask a little bit about their medical history, ask a little bit about their financials, because you'll be going through looking at different things like their max out of pocket and be like, is that a concern for you? Is medical bankruptcy a concern of yours? Because that is a number one leading thing that happens with a cancer diagnosis. So it is stuff that you want to know. You can find that out through a fact finder, a client intake form, whatever it might be. But that will take a little bit of that insecurity or worries about offering cancer insurance when you know they have a direct family member that has a cancer diagnosis. Then you could start having a conversation with them about that and say, tell me a little bit about that and kind of learn more about your clients. So then when you're making that suggestion of a cancer insurance product, it doesn't just sound like you're trying to add on another product. It's because of these things that you've told me, this is a solution that might help you out going forward. The most important thing that I want all of you to understand with cancer insurance, that hearing no is okay. That doesn't necessarily mean it's not a good product for that client. Doesn't mean that you're presenting the product wrong. There could be many reasons that client's leading to a no, but your obligation as the agent is just to present those possible solutions to future issues. That's all insurance is in a nutshell, right? Is we're putting things in place to protect you if blank happens. Cancer is just something that's very devastating to the client, financially, emotionally, everything like that we talked about already. So just understanding that if the client says no, that has no necessarily context with how you were presenting it to them. What it does mean is at that moment, that client understands or doesn't feel the need for that product. And that's okay because you told them it exists. So if that client ever did get that cancer diagnosis, it's not on you for not offering that to them. And that's what I try to talk with all of our agents about is just offer the product. If they say no, that's okay. Because going forward, that no might turn into a yes, or they might say, hey, my friend offered this over to or they offered it over to me. You should go talk to my agent about that. He might be able to help set you up. So it's not always going to be a no going forward, but need to understand that you will get told no. It's going to happen, but 1 for 3 makes you a Hall of Famer in baseball. So definitely just be out there offering that product. And if you have any more questions about cancer insurance, what to offer, what resources we have, I encourage you to check out our Care Initiative page on our SMS team website, or give us a call. We can help you out kind of going through strategies, talking about how you can market it, how you can bring it up with your clients, anything that you're needing. I'll be happy to help you out with that. So everybody, thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.